Hello and welcome dear students to your own channel. Today again we are starting from question number 8 onwards of exercise 6.5. So in the last video we have done till question number 7. So now we are starting from question number 8. Okay, so the question number 8 is, I have already drawn the figure for you and I have written what you have to prove on it. So what they are given, this figure is given to you in question number 8. So what is given? Your given is OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC and OF is perpendicular to AB. Okay. So these three perpendiculars on three sides are given to you. And what you have to prove? You have to prove that OA square. That means OA square. OA square is not with you. So you have to draw OA. Okay. Plus OB square. Then OB is not with you. So draw OB square. Plus OC square, this is OC square, minus OD, minus OD, minus OE, minus OE, minus OF and equals to AF square plus BF square. This you have to prove. Okay. Then second part you have to prove AF square plus BD square, AF square plus BD square. These you have to prove. Okay. So let us see quickly, starting with proof. Okay. So what you will prove? When first thing OA square is given to you, OA square. So there are two right angle triangle in it. So very first one right angle triangle is this with the hypotenuse OA square, and the second right angle triangle is this one. Okay, with hypotenuse OE, because this is perpendicular on this. So let us write both the equation for both the triangles. Okay, so we'll write in triangle OAF, OAE, all the triangles, let us say, because we want OB square. So with the OB square, this is the hypotenuse, we have two triangles. One triangle is this and this is the hypotenuse and one triangle is this. So we will take both the triangles. And second, OC square we want. So OC square, we have two right angle triangle with OC square. This is the hypotenuse and this one, this is only the hypotenuse. So let me write all the equations of right angle triangle here. So from here we will see what we want. Okay. So now in triangle OAF, OE, this one, in these two triangles, OFB, OBD, then this triangle, ODB, ODC, you can say ODC and OCE. Okay, and triangle OCE. So what we'll write? Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. So very first I am taking in this triangle. Okay, so this is OA square is equals to OF square plus AF square. OF square plus AF square. Second I am taking this triangle again. OA square is equals to OE square plus again AE square. So we went OE square plus AE square. Now I am taking OB square. So what is OB square in this one triangle? This is right angle triangle. So OF square plus BF square. So I am writing OF square plus BF square. Same way one more OB square we have. OD square plus BD square. Okay, OD square plus BD square. Now I am taking OC square. So OC square is equals to OD square plus DC square, and again OC square is equals to OE square plus EC square. Okay, OE square plus EC square. So I am saying equation number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because we have three right angle triangles here. Okay, this is clear to you. So now what we want, what we have to prove in it, see once. We want OA square, so we can take any of OA square from here. We want OB square, so we can take from here, plus OC square we can take from here, minus OD square, that means OD will come here. So this we can take and this we can take. Okay, minus OE square, so this OE square, and where is OE square? This one we can take. minus OF square, OF square we can take this, and we can take this one also, equals to AF square. Where is AF square? We can take this, and somewhere else AF square is there? No, nowhere. Plus BD square we want. BD square is this one, and nowhere else. CE square we want. CE square. Where is CE square? OB, BD, CE. This is CE square. Okay. So for the first we want these things. Okay. So what we want? OA square, and see in this equation we want only OE square, so we can leave this equation. We will not take this equation. Both we want in this, so we'll take this equation. Okay. Same way in these two we want only one, so we'll not take. In this we want both of them and plus OB square, so we will take this equation. Same way in this one we want one, but in this one we want OC square also, OE square also, EC square also. We'll take this. Okay. So we want OB square also, we want OA square also. So three equations we have to take because we want all three, because all three we have to prove in first one. Okay. So what we want? OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Adding equation 1, 4 and 6. Okay. So we'll write adding equation 1, 4 and 6. OA square plus OB square plus OC square equals to, we want this OF square plus AF square, OF square plus AF square plus, now we want this one OD square plus BD square, OD square plus BD square plus, now last OE square plus EC square, OE square plus EC square. So what we have to prove? OA square plus OB square plus OC square. These three we got. Minus OD square. So this we have to bring this side. Minus OE square. This we have to bring this side. And minus OF square. OF. This we have to bring this side. Equals to AF square. AF just let it be here only. BD square. Let it be here only. CE square. Yeah, just let it be here only. This will be proved. So let us bring these three here. So what we'll get? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equals to these three, let it be here only. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. EC or CE we can write. So this first part is proved. Okay. Your first part is proved. We have to see from here, but then we have to prove. Now let us go to second part. Now second part is AF square plus BD square plus C square equals to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay. So what we have proved in our first part? First part was OA square plus OB square. This you have proved in first part. Okay. This was. So what we want here? AF square is already here, BD square is already here, C square is already here, which we have in first part proved. Okay, this was in first part proved. So now what we want now in the place of this, we want AE square. Now look at here how we'll get AE square. AE square, this one. Okay, so in this triangle AE is the perpendicular. Perpendicular means OA square minus OE square you want. OA square minus OE square. So we will keep this in one bracket. OA square minus OE square. So OA square minus OE square we will get AE square. Okay. Then second we want CD square. Where is CD? This is CD. So in this triangle. So that means hypotenuse minus perpendicular square. OC square minus OD square we want. OC square minus OD square. So this will keep in one bracket. What is left now? OB square minus OF square is left. Is equals to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Now look at here. OA square minus OE square is AE square. Okay. And OC square minus OD square. OC square minus OD square is CD square. By Pythagoras theorem, you will use Pythagoras theorem plus OB square minus OF square. OB square minus OF square, that means hypotenuse minus perpendicular, तो base का square हो जाएगा, so that means BF square. So this only we have to prove is equals to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is our second part is also proved. It's very easy. You have to see what we have to see the equation, and according to that you keep on proving. Okay, let us move to next question, question number 9. So question number 9 is a ladder. Ladder means सीढ़ी. ठीक है, तो how the ladder will be? This will be the ground, और कोई दीवार होगी, उसमें एक सीढ़ी लगी होगी. Okay, like this the ladder will be. A ladder 10 meter long. A ladder 10 meter long. This is a ladder which is 10 meter long. Reaches a window. एक यहाँ पे window है, ठीक है. Reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. So from the ground the window is 8 meter above. Okay. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder. Foot of the ladder means this. From the base of the wall. Wall की base से इसकी हमें distance निकालनी है. ठीक है. This we have to find. Let me say this is A, B and this is C. Okay. So nothing is there. The wall will be perpendicular to the ground. So only directly use the Pythagoras theorem in this. It will come directly. So this is question number 9. And what we'll get using Pythagoras theorem. You write full, okay? So what we'll get? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So what we want? BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. So AC square is 10 square minus AB square is 8 square. So 100 minus 64 is 36. It's just, so BC square is equals to 36. So BC is equals to root of 36, which is equals to 6 meter. So the distance of a foot of a ladder from the this wall is 6 meter. Okay, let us do now quickly the 10th question. So the question number 10th is a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter. There is a vertical pole, okay, to the ground. And what is the height of the pole? 18 meter. There is a wire attached to the pole. Okay, a guy wire attached to a pole, to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. अब यहाँ पर से जो wire attached है वो 24 meter long है and has a stake attached to other end, and this other end is attached to the some end here. Okay, so now what they are saying, how far from the base of a pole, how far from the base of a pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut. तो वायर बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हो जाए, so हमें इसको कितनी दूर तक हमें करना पड़ेगा. What is the distance of wire? Is 24 meters. So we have to find this distance. Let us again say A, B, C. So what you will write? Let the height of a pole. Let the pole is AB, and height is pole of height of pole is given to you. Height of pole is equals to 18 meter, and length of wire is equals to length of wire. You will write complete statement. ठीक है? Is equals to 24 meter. So therefore, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So what you will get here in triangle ABC? So let us see. So what will be? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? 24 square is equals to AB 18 square plus BC square you want. So 24 square minus 18 square will be BC square. So 576 minus 324 equals to BC square. So subtract us 2, 5, 2, and BC will be root of 252. So factorize 252. So if you factorize 252, see 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 7 9s are 63, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. That means 2 and 3 will come out here. 2 will come out, 3 will come out. So inside what will left? 3. So that means 6 root 7 meter. So the distance of a foot of a pole from the stalk of a wire will be 6 root 7 meter. So quickly let us move to 11th question now. So what is your 11th question? An aeroplane leaves the airport. This is the airport. And everyone knows the direction east, west, north, south. These are the direction you use. Okay. So an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So this is a airport flies due north. North को जो aeroplane है it flies at the speed of 1000 km per hour. So speed is given 1000 km per hour. So it goes from the airport to north. At the same time, another airport leaves the same airport due west. So same time the second air goes to west. Okay, it moves to west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes? One plane is here and the second plane is here. Okay. So how far they will apart after 1.5 hour? So after 1.5 hour, so what is the distance between the two plane? Okay. So after 1.5 hour the plane from here will reach here, and after 1.5 hour from the plane will reach at this point. So we have to find the distance between these two planes. That means this distance. Okay. Let me say B is the airport and this is the position of A, and C is the position of second. Okay. So I am saying, so what you will do? What is the distance traveled by the first aircraft after 1/2 hours? ठीक है. Same way we will find what is the distance traveled by this, because for applying Pythagoras theorem we want distance. ठीक है. तो हम फाइंड करेंगे कि 1.5 आवर बाद ये कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करी इसने, एंड 1.5 आवर में इसने कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करी. और स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. ठीक है. दिस फॉर्मूला यू विल यूज. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट distance directly I can write, and you will write what you will write the statement. You will write full statement. Let the first airport, the distance traveled by the first aircraft after 1.5 hour will be. So the distance traveled, I'm saying the distance traveled by first aircraft after 1.5 hour. Okay, 1.5 hour is equals to, what is 1.5 hour? 2 ones are 2 and 3, or we can say 2 ones are 2 and 3 upon 2 hours, or 1. Okay, so after 3 upon 2 hours will be speed. Distance is equals to speed into time. So distance is equals to speed into time. What is the speed? 1000 into time is 3 upon 2 hours. So 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 5 3s are 1500 kilometer. ठीक है. Same way distance traveled by second aircraft, okay, is equals to again speed into time. What is the speed of this? 1200 into time is 3 upon 2. 2 6 are 12, 0 0. So 6 3s are 1800 kilometer. ठीक है. So that means the distance traveled by this is 1800 kilometer. This is 1800 kilometer, and distance traveled by this is 1500 kilometer. ठीक है. So this is distance 1500. This is this. So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. What we want? AC squared. What is distance between the two aircraft? AC square is equals to AB square. What is AB square? 1500 square plus 1800 square. Okay. सो 15 15 are 2 2 5 and 2 zeros तो 4 0 जाएंगे, ठीक है. 18 18 are 3 2 4 and 4 zeros will be there. Add them. 4 zeros तो ऐसे ही आ गए. 4 and 5 9. 2 and 2 4. 3 and 2 5 4 9. So AC will be under root of 5 4 9. I can write it like this into 1 2 3 4. I can write this like this. Okay, from here 100 into 100, 100 will come outside. 100 come outside. So 5 4 9. Just factorize 5 4 9 9. What we get? 5 4 9. Okay. So this will come 9 10 14 15 17 18. 3 से हो जाएगा. 3 ones are 3. 4 5 2. 3 6 are 24. 3 6 are 9. Then again by 3. 3 5 are 15. 1. No. 3 ones are 3, 2, 3 8s are 24, and 3 3s are 9, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3. So we got this one. So what does it means? 100, 3 into 3 into 61. So 3 will come outside, so it will become 300 root 61 kilometer. So distance between the two aircraft is 300 root 61 kilometer. Okay, it is clear. So let us move to question number 12 now. Now 12th question is two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter. So there is a ground, there are two poles of 6 meter and 11 meter. So this will be longer. Okay, so the two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If a distance between the feet of a pole is 12 meter, the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their top. Okay, so we have to find the distance between their tops. This distance we have to find. Okay, so say let the first is AB and the second one tower is okay, poles. So what you will do, you will draw a perpendicular from C to AB. Okay, so let me say this point is E. So everyone knows when we draw parallel or perpendicular, this and this distance will be same. Okay, so what will be the distance of CE will be 12 meter again, because these two are parallel, and if we are drawing perpendicular to this pole, so this and this distance will be exactly same, because the distance between two parallels are always equal. Okay, so now what we'll do, let us say quickly we can write the statement very first. Heights of two poles are 6 meter and 11 meter. DB is equals to 12 meter. Draw CE perpendicular to AB. So therefore CE will be 12 meter. And now see, we can find AE. How? From here if we will draw perpendicular, so this distance and this distance will be same. So from here it will be 6 meter. Okay. So full pole is 11 meter long. This much is 6 meter. So remaining is 5 meter. Okay. So 5 meter. 11 minus 6 kar doge to this will be 5 meter. So and AE will be 11 minus 6 meter. That means 5 meter. So therefore directly using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACE. So what AC square? We want AC only, the distance between two poles tops is equals to AE square plus CE square. So what is AE square? AE is 5 meter. So 5 square plus CE is 12 square. 25 plus 144. This will be 169 AC square. So therefore AC will be root of 169 will be 13. So this will be 13 meter. So therefore the distance between top of the two poles is 13 meter. You can write in a statement form. Okay. So let us do quickly the 13th one question. So the question is, see we are given a right angle triangle, 13th question. D and E are the points on the side CA and CB of respectively triangle ABC right angled at C. So one triangle is right angled at C and D and E are the points on side CA and CB of right angle triangle. Prove that. So given D and, or we can write in the given angle C is equals to 90 degree. To prove, what we have to prove now? We have to prove that AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. Okay, so this we have to prove. So now quickly now add them. AE square. How we'll get AE square? We will have to join A to E. So AE square we will get from here. How we'll get BD square? So we have to join B to D. Okay. So now this will automatically will come now. AE square. So what we will take? Which triangle will take? Right angle triangle. This one. So proof one by one will take. In triangle ACE use AND. Together let me take BD. How will get? We'll take this triangle. Okay. So I am taking ACE and triangle DCB together. And triangle DCB using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So first ACE में लगाओ. So AE square is equals to AC square plus CE square. Equation number 1. Then in this triangle BD square, this BD square is equals to DC square plus CB square. Equation number 2. Now we want A square plus BD square. Add these two. Adding equation 1 and 2. Okay. Adding equation 1 and 2. So what you will get? AE square plus BD square is equals to AC square plus CE square plus DC square plus BC square. So now what you will get here? AB square you want. AB square. AB square के लिए what you want? AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. तो इससे तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? AB square. Now second we want DE square. तो DE means this one. Join this to this. What will get DE square के लिए? DC square plus CE square. DC square plus CE square. Got? So we'll get the result. So therefore AE square plus BD square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Let me write in one bracket. Plus CE square plus DC square. We'll write in one bracket. Okay. So AC square plus BC square is equals to AB square plus CE square plus DE square is equals to DE square. Got? Proved. These questions are very easy. Only you have to see what you have to prove. You have to take only that right angle triangle. Okay. Let us move to question number 14 here. So the question number 14 is the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BD at point D such that what you are given, DB is equals to 3 times CD. Prove that. To prove, okay, you have to prove that 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. So that means 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. Yes, this you have to prove. Okay, nothing you have to do, you have to see this. So what you are given, DB is equals to 3 times DB is equals to 3 times CD, or this we can write. Okay, so proof. So what we write? We are given DB is equals to 3 times CD, or we can write CD is equals to 1/3 of DB. ठीक है. So इसका मतलब CD क्या है? वो DB का 1/3 है. ठीक है. और DB is 3 times CD. DB है जो CD का 3 times है, ठीक है. This okay, so this is the perpendicular is given to you. Okay, so now what we'll do, we want AB square. So AB square, so directly we will just AB square, we will put this theorem. So Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square. AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square. So now AB square is already here. What you want? AC square. Where is AC square? You want AC square. So you will be taking this triangle also, Pythagoras plus BC square. Okay. So let me write equation number 1. ठीक है. In triangle ABC, and together I am writing and triangle ACD. Okay, this is DB by 3. So AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Equation number 2. Now what you want? 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square. So see here, AD square you don't want AD square, तो AD square को हम यहाँ से remove कर देते हैं. How? Subtracting this from this. वैसे भी 2 times AC square, AC को हम इधर लाएंगे तो AB minus AC चाहिए, तो we will cancel this. So subtracting, will subtract these two equation. ठीक है, subtracting, so minus minus minus, these two will cancel out. So what will get? AB square minus AC square is equals to DB square minus CD square. Okay, AB square we got, AC square we got. Now we want only BC, और इन दोनों को हमें हटाना है. Okay, we have to remove this. So DB, what is DB? DB is 3 times CD. So let me write in the place of DB 3 times CD whole square minus CD square. So that means 3 3s are 9, CD square minus CD square. That means 8 CD square. Okay, so this we got. Now what we'll do after this, let us see. Let us take this equation number 3. Okay, now beta, what is given to you? We were given that DB is equals to 3 times the CD. This was given to us. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम CD में CD plus DB, what will become? BC. CD plus DB, DBC होगा, तो CD तो होगा. DB की जगह what will write? 3 times CD is equals to BC. So 4 times CD is equals to BC, and from here we get value of CD is equals to BC by 4. Okay, so the value of CD in the terms of BC, we got BC upon 4. Equation number 4. Substituting the value of 4 in equation number 3. Okay, substituting value of equation 4 in equation 3, because here we got CD and we want the term answer in term of BC. So that's why CD को हम BC में change कर देंगे. कैसे? CD plus DB कितना होता है? BC के इक्वल होता है. तो DB किसके इक्वल होता है? 3 times CD के. तो CD की जगह आ गया BC upon 4. So therefore AB square minus AC square is equals to 8 times CD BC upon 4 whole square. So that means AB square minus AC square is equals to 8 into BC square of 4 4 is 16. 8 2 is 16. 2 you send this side. 2 times AB square minus 2 times AC square is equals to BC square. So all you can say 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square. You send it this side plus BC square. This only you have to prove. So this one is your proved. तो क्या करना है in this question? Nothing you have to do. You were given that DB is equals to 3 times CD. तो यहाँ पर से सिर्फ हमें BC के फॉर्म में इसको चेंज कर लेना है. तो what will write? BC कितना होता है? CD plus DB के इक्वल्स. DB की जगह 3 times CD रख लो, तो ये CD plus CD 4 times CD तो यहाँ से CD की वैल्यू आ जाएगी BC अपॉन, बस व्हाट यू विल डू, फिर वही पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इन दोनों ट्राइंगल में लगाओ, बिकॉज वी गॉट AB ऑल्सो AC ऑल्सो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now the 15th question is given to you in an equilateral triangle ABC. So very first, please draw an equilateral triangle ABC. ABC. It is equilateral triangle. So please write here in given. Okay, what you will write? AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. Okay, let me question number 1. Again, it is equilateral triangle. D is a point on side BC. यहाँ पर एक point D है, such that BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. तो BD जो होगा 1/3 of BC होगा. So D is a point here such that BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. BC का 1/3 है BD. ठीक है? This much is given to you. Prove that. To prove 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. Okay, this is given to you. So now what you will do, draw perpendicular, because here you can see there is no right angle triangle, so you have to draw one right angle triangle. So please draw a right angle triangle, that means a perpendicular to the base. Okay, so whenever we will draw a perpendicular to the base, let me say this point is E. So everyone knows that the perpendicular of a right angle triangle bisects the base. Okay, so the perpendicular of right angle triangle bisects the base. That means ये जो E is the midpoint of BC, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, B से E तक की डिस्टेंस क्या हो गई, BC अपॉन 2, BC की हाफ हो गई. ठीक है, E से हाफ है, ये भी BC अपॉन 2 हो गई. ठीक है, so that means we got BD BC अपॉन 3 और यहाँ से BE मिल गया BC अपॉन 2. आप DE भी तो फाइंड कर सकते हैं. हाउ? This full this will take. So now similarly we can find DE. So what will write DE? In the place of DE we can write BE में से अगर हम BD को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे तो we got BE. ठीक है, so BE minus BD, तो we got DE. What is BE here? We got BC upon 2 minus BD here is BC upon 3. Take the LCM. LCM is 6. 3 times BC minus 2 times BC is equals to BC upon 6. So DE is BC upon 6. Okay. So now let us see. Till here you have to do. After this it will become very easy for you. Only these values you have to find. Okay. So now we want AD square. Where is AD? AD. So you have to take this one right angle triangle. And now second we want AB. So for AB, this is the hypotenuse. So we have to take this one right angle triangle. So always find right angle triangle. Where is right angle triangle? Okay. So I am writing using Pythagoras theorem in triangle. Very first what we want, AD. So this triangle ADE and triangle ABE. ABE. Write it. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. Equation number 1, and equation number 1 is already written. Equation number 2, and second we want AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Equation number 3. So now what you want? You want that. So see here what you have to prove. AD square we want and AB square we want. ठीक है, तो AB square क्या है, इधर है, तो AB को इधर लाएंगे तो माइनस AB, तो इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, so you will write first here subtracting equation 3 from equation number 2. Okay, subtracting equation 3 from equation 2. Now let us subtract. So AD square minus AB square is equals to, this will cancel out. You will get DE square minus BE square. So now what you want, AD स्क्वायर और AB स्क्वायर तो आपको मिल गया, दीज टू यू डोंट वांट, तो इनको भी आपने या तो AD या AB में चेंज कर लेना है. DE, व्हाट इज DE? DE इज BC अपॉन 6. लेट मी राइट इज BC अपॉन 6 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस व्हाट इज BE? BE is BC upon 2, BC upon 2 whole square. So from where it is given to us, and this one. ठीक है. So now let us solve this upside. So what will be the LCM? AD square minus AB square. So I am writing AD square minus AB square is equals to BC square upon 36. BC square upon 36 minus BC square upon 4. BC square upon 4. Take the LCM this side. 36 will be the LCM. BC square is equals to 4. 9 is 36. So 9 times BC square. Here we'll get minus 8 BC square upon 36. And here it was AD square minus AB square. Just send 36 this side. We got 36. AD square minus AB square is equals to minus 8 times BC square. We in proof we don't want BC. So do you remember what we are given? This is the equilateral triangle. So in the place of BC I can write AB because all sides are equal. So here I am writing 36 AD square minus AB square is equals to minus 8 times. In the place of BC I am writing AB square. Why? Because AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, equilateral triangle है. Now solve this. 36 AD square minus AB square minus is equals to minus 8 times AB square. Okay. So this AD and this bringing this side 36 AD square is equals to AB. I am sending this side minus 8 times AB square plus AB square. So 36 AD square is equals to minus 7 times AB square. So what we have to prove in this? We have to prove that 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. So this we got. After this let us prove down. So here when we have sent 36 this side, 36 this side, so this AB is 36 here. Okay, so here is 36, 36. So when we'll send it this side, this is 36. So what will left here? 36 minus 8 is 28. Okay, so now cancel these by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, again by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14. So that means 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. This is your proved. Okay. So this was your question number 15. So now let us do question number 16. Okay. So let us start question number 16. Now the question number 16 is, in an equilateral triangle, prove that, very first draw an equilateral triangle. Okay. So the equilateral triangle is ABC. So what is given to you right here also? You are given that AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. Let me say equation number 1. You are given that ABC is equilateral triangle. Then prove that 3 times the square of one side. To prove 3 times the square of one side is 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Let me draw its altitude. That means the perpendicular to it is 4 times the square of its one of its altitude. Okay, so this you have to prove that 3 times the square of one side is 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So now let us prove. You know that altitude bisects the base of equilateral triangle. So as altitude bisects the base, bisects the base. Therefore, we can write BD is equals to DC is half of BC. Yeah, BC upon 2 we can write here. Okay. So now what we want? AB square. So we can take this triangle using Pythagoras theorem. So same way using, see the proof what you have to prove. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. So what you will get? AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So AB square, so you want AD square, you also want plus BD square. What you can write in the place of BD? BC upon 2. Okay. So BC upon 2 ka whole square, because this is BD square. Solve it. So this will be AD square plus BC square upon 4. Okay. So now AD square plus BC square upon 4. AD square plus BC square upon 4. So what you can write AD square, from here we have to, we want AD. We have to remove BC square. Okay. So first take LCM from here. So 4 times AD square plus BC square whole divided by 4 is AB square. So which shows 4 times AB square is equals to 4 times AD square plus BC square. So what is the proof? 3 times AB square we want. AD square we got, BC square we have to remove. So what you can write, because it is an equilateral triangle, in the place of BC you can write AB. Okay. So what you can write? 4 times AB square is equals to 4 times AD square plus, in the place of BC I am writing AB square. Bring AB square this side, so it will become 3 times AB square is equals to 4 times AD square. This only you have to prove, and this is proved. Okay. So now quickly let us move to the last question, that is question number 17. Now the last question is question number 17, is optional question, objective type. Pick the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC. You are given AB is equals to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equals to 12 centimeter and BC is equals to 6 centimeter. The triangle, the angle B is, अब angle B क्या होगा हमारा? The 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. Okay. So now see which is the largest side? This one. So let us use Pythagoras theorem. If it will applicable, Pythagoras theorem will be applicable in this, so it will 90 degree angle. Okay. AC square is 12 square is equals to AB square 6 root 3 ka whole square, BC 6 square. So 144 is equals to 6 is the 36, 36 3 is 108 plus 36. So 8, 14, 144 is equals to 144. Yes, as it holds Pythagoras theorem, therefore angle B is 90 degree. So the option 1, 90 degree is option is your right answer. So that's all for this exercise, and this exercise is completed now. Please do practice and please press the like button. Thank you very much. Do practice. Thank you very much for this exercise. Okay, bye bye.